No, you do not need a pump between your pressure washer and water tank in your mobile detailing or pressure washing setup. I have a 2 GPM washer in my truck and an 8 GPM washer on my pressure washing rig, and these are both gravity fed setups with no issues. I got both of these setups from Ameritech in Tampa. This is the 8 GPM and this is the 2 GPM that's in the bed skid. They do require lubrication maintenance, pump oil, gear oil, and motor oil, and then just pump oil in the electric washer. But as long as you maintain them and don't run out of water in your tank, these pumps will last you a lifetime. If you do run out of water, you could blow the seals, but I've never seen a pressure washing rig or a mobile detailing rig that needed an inline pump.